Informing of the instructions for the takedown. This gun requires no tools at all for its formation. We're going to start with the assembly. Step 1. Put the bolt inside the action and keep it open without blocking. Step 2. Place the barrel with the desired caliber and insert it as if it was a bayonet. Step 3. Close the bolt. Step 4. Place the handguard with a light blow to help it fit until you feel a click noise. Step 5. The rifle has 3 positions. To load the gun, use the middle position, which allows the bolt to open and close and doesn't let the rifle shoot. The third position blocks the bolt and doesn't allow shooting. Only first position allows shooting. Finally and last, adjust the scope in step 6.